Uy, kung nagbabalak ka na mag-take ng licensure examination ngayong March 2025, para sa iyo ang video na to. This is Sir Archie, isang licensed professional teacher at certified human resource associate. Sir, ano ba dapat ang kailangan naming i-prepare sa aming mga sarili bago ang licensure examination for professional teachers ngayong March 2025? Of course, teachers, dahil yan ay isang examination, you should be prepared intellectually. Kaya nga, dapat merong ample time na ibibigay sa iyong sarili to review. As much as possible, at least 3 months prior to the examination, nagsisimula ka na mag-review for you to be intellectually prepared for the test. Second, mentally, dapat prepared ang inyong mental health pagdating po sa mga bagay-bagay na maaari niyong ma-experience along the way sa pagre-review at sa pag-prepare mismo a day or days before the exam. Ito ay nakaka-drain. So dapat mentally prepared kayo na tanggapin lahat ng mga possible na ma-experience nyo sa inyong review sessions hanggang sa examination session. Next, you should be physically prepared. Sabi ko nga, kapag nagre-review tayo at nagpe-prepare sa isang exam, nakaka-drain ito mentally at kapag drain ka mentally, it could affect your physical health. That is why you should also take care of your physical body in preparing for your examination. Do not forget to exercise, no? Kahit paunti-unti, kahit nakaupo ka habang nagre-review, at from time to time, you stand up, you do stretching, no? And of course, you eat well. Eat well and good food during your review session. And lastly, prepare spiritually. No, you should ask help from the divine to help you in your review session, to enlighten you with everything that you review, no, to enlighten your mind, to open your hearts to all the possibilities pagdating ng exam. At kung may mga iba pa kayong preparations na naisip, it's up to you guys. Ang pagte-take ng board exam usually ay kanya-kanya, no? Meaning, it's up to your own practice, it's up to your own strategy and technique. Paano nyo ba iraraos ang isang board licensure examination? Kaya naman guys, I believe you, kayo po ay papasa ngayong March 2025. Let's claim it. You will become LPTs this coming 2025. That's all po. Bye-bye!